Hey, this is an Acura TSX. In Japan, it's Honda Accord. It's 2004, and I need to set up my home link right there for my garage door. So before I do the setup, I'm show you how to reset, delete all the code here before you can program to your garage door. So hit the first and the last button together, and pay attention on the light here. Press them together at the same time. Hold it. See, it keep blinking so fast means the code inside is erased. So do this first before you program your home link to your garage door. Online and on YouTube, if you have a Genie remote, garage door remote, you have to program it to a program mode or something in order for it to work with the home link, to program with the home link. And I don't think it's necessary, because as long as it works, it's good to go. You don't need to program to the see the green light here. All you have to do is have a working one. You don't need to program to the green and red or whatever it is. As long as you have a green light right there, and the garage door work, and that's it. It's good to go to program the home link with the remote. To program the home link of the Honda to the Genie garage door, you need the remote, the Genie remote control, and you hit this button together with one of the home link button together. You're pointing at it, press it at the same time, and pay attention to the light right there. See, now it keeps blinking. You go to the garage door, hit the program button until it turns purple, and push this button. Go to here real quick, up there. See a program button? Right there. And you push this button. Hold it until it turns purple, and you go back to your car real quick. Press it every 2 seconds. Now it works. So I just successfully programmed the Honda Home Link to the Genie garage door opener. And you hit the button, and you see the garage door moving. Alright, thanks for watching.